Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and after a wild night of monsoon storms here in the valley, we have chances for more through the weekend. So let me track this out for you. Futurecast does show a slight chance of a few isolated showers in the morning. I think we have a better chance as we head into the evening, and Futurecast shows that too. As we hit about 10-11 o'clock, we're going to see storms brewing out to the east and down to the south that could potentially move up into the Phoenix metro area. I think we'll see a better chance in places like Maricopa and Casa Grande, but Phoenix, we have about a 30% chance for storms late tomorrow night, and we'll keep that 30% chance going through much of your 7-day forecast. As we take a look at the severe weather outlook for tomorrow, most spots across the state shaded in green, and so we do have a chance of seeing thunderstorms that could bring gusty winds, blowing dust, lightning, and pockets of heavy rain that could lead to flooding. Flooding has really been the big impact maker over the last couple of days, so in a lot of cases, the ground is already saturated and won't be able to absorb much more. So do watch out for those heavy downpours and areas of flooding across the valley. We're going to start out in the 80s, and we'll see temperatures in the mid-90s by noon tomorrow, going up to 101 around 4 p.m., then spending much of the evening in the 90s with that monsoon storm chance really ramping up in the late night hours. Dew points are also going to remain high. As we look at your muggy meter tomorrow, we're tracking dew points in the mid-60s to near 70 degrees. So it's going to feel sticky again out there, and that remains the case as we head into Sunday as well. There's a look at your forecast across the East Valley tonight. Lows mostly in the 80s. High temperatures tomorrow up near 100 or 101. And in the West Valley, same story. Most spots in the low 80s and then triple digits tomorrow afternoon. Across the state tonight, 78 in Casa Grande, 74 in Tucson. Lows in the 50s for Flagstaff, Heber, and Show Low, and 60s for Payson, Sedona, and Prescott. Tomorrow, Prescott will hit 82, Sedona at 88, and Payson at 85. We'll see highs along the rim in the 70s, and areas south of the valley into Tucson will hit the 90s. For Phoenix, 101 tomorrow, 101 again on Sunday, and up to 104 by next Tuesday. For Flagstaff, we'll keep highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s, and storm chances are almost certain for the next couple of days. 90% shot for Saturday and Sunday, 70% chances up there for much of next week as the threat for wildfire burn scar flooding continues.